And just by way of house cleaning, folks, I want to apologize to everyone. I know we had a little bit of a slow start. However, there was some issue that was lingering from when this case was last scheduled about scheduling. And more importantly, not just scheduling, but where the case was going. I was told that that the Attorney General's office was going to take over, and that's why we canceled the last proceeding. That the Attorney General's office was going to take over, and that's why we canceled the last proceeding.
That's why they canceled the last proceeding. The night before the last proceeding, I get a call from my attorney, the amazing Mario Blanche out of West New York, New Jersey. And inexplicably, he was told by the prosecutor McDougall that the cases, both against me and I have against others, were completely taken over by New Jersey Attorney General at the 11th hour. I am Leroy Truth. Welcome, Truth Seekers. I am Leroy Truth for Leroy Truth Investigations. Buckle up, because this is crazy. You're going to hear about alleged corruption of New Jersey State Attorney General from both Judge Erik Acosta, the Municipal Court Judge of Newark, who is hearing all these criminal cases I have against me and I have against Stack's people, including Chief of Union City Police Anthony Ficini, and also from Mr. McDougall, the Newark Prosecutor. This is insane, and I'm going to play this for you in a minute, but to set this up for you so you understand what's going on, is I have at least 5 bogus criminal charges against me. I have at least 9 criminal charges against others that Stack has had: harass, assault, rob me, attack me, and more. And I've been told by sources, Senator, head of the New Jersey Senate Judiciary Committee, and Mayor Brian Stack does not want my cases heard in front of Judge Erik Acosta of Newark Municipal Court. Why is that? Because my sources are saying he is a fair and honest judge. He will not be intimidated by Stack. He will not allow himself to be extorted or bribed or pressured or given special favors. That he will just rule on the law and the facts. And Stack doesn't want that. And so with that, Stack has allegedly been working with New Jersey Attorney General Matt Platkin and New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy to attempt to take these cases and bury them for the ones I have against others, and to bury me for the unlawful, bogus cases that they have brought against me, all on the direction of Brian Stack. And listen to the musical chairs of the court in Judge Acosta and Mr. McDougall's own words.
Everyone, welcome to the North Municipal Court. For the record, my name is Judge Erik Acosta, and today's date is, March 21st? March 21st, 2025. Today I will be addressing Part 5 AM calendar. Welcome, everyone. We had this new thing. We didn't have this before COVID. All the computers up here.
Yeah, some kind of barrier. He's talking about a plexiglass barrier.
Mr. McDougall, good morning. Your appearance to the record.
Thank you, Jess. Good morning. Thank you for the state. Thank you.
Okay.
That's Mr. McDougall, the prosecutor of Newark Municipal Court. Good man, from what I've been told.
And just by way of house cleaning, folks, I want to apologize to everyone. I know we had a little bit of a slow start. However, there was some issue that was lingering from when this case was last scheduled about scheduling. And more importantly, not just scheduling, but where the case was going. I was told that that the Attorney General's office was going to take over, and that's why we canceled the last proceeding.
That's why they canceled the last proceeding. The night before the last proceeding, I get a call from my attorney, the amazing Mario Blanche out of West New York, New Jersey. And inexplicably, he was told by the prosecutor McDougall that the cases, both against me and I have against others, were completely taken over by New Jersey Attorney General at the 11th hour, the midnight hour. And everyone was puzzled. The prosecutor was puzzled and baffled. My attorney was baffled, saying, this is unprecedented, Leroy. You're hearing what is going on in Judge Acosta's own words here. He literally told everyone how the sausage was made. This is not normal. It is screaming corruption. It screams the FBI. And Alina Habba, the new New Jersey U.S. Attorney, must investigate Brian Stack, Attorney General Matt Platkin, and New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy immediately.
And even as early as this morning,
the Attorney General wanted them back. Here, I'm going to go back a little and get the whole thing here.
I was told that that the Attorney General's office was going to take over, And that's why we canceled the last proceeding. And even as early as this morning, we were told the same thing. And so we were just trying to clarify that for purposes of housekeeping issues. Obviously, we can't handle stuff or hear stuff that we no longer have jurisdiction over. But Mr. McDougall, just so that the record's clear, can you let us know what you found out today in that regard, please?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. The state's investigation led me to believe the following. The Attorney General's office was first going to take over it, and then we stepped to Morris County. Morris County then reviewed it, and that was the basis for which was preliminarily that they were going to get a no further action. Morris County took it and said that they were legal, they didn't find on the basis of over there, so they kind of re-kicked it back to our home where it was made.
Which is fine, right? I see some attorneys laughing, right? Par for the course, that's the way this should be fine. I mean, listen, I'm more than ready, willing, and able to handle this matter. I know the last time we had court was virtually, and that.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm calling for a full, immediate investigation by the FBI into New Jersey Attorney General Matt Platkin, Senator Brian Stack, and New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy. This stinks to high heaven. Why would the New Jersey Attorney General get involved in municipal court cases, take them, try to give them to someone else, another area, Morris County, because Stack apparently got some clout there. He can tell them what to do there. But or actually, I think that he thought that was the case, but they were smarter than Stack and Attorney General Matt Platkin. They wouldn't take the cases. And so it's kicked back to what I've been told. The sources say Judge Acosta is a good man, a just man, and that Mr. McDougall is a good man, a just man as well, and will not be influenced or intimidated or bribed or extorted by Stack. So stay tuned for much more. And I look forward to talking with Alina Habba, the new U.S. Attorney for New Jersey, who Trump appointed. And I look forward to talking with anyone in federal government that will investigate this immediately. God bless you all. Stay tuned for much more to come, because they can't stop me. They're trying to do everything possible to stop me. Myself and my team, we're committed. However, I want to make this very clear. There's been additional chatter about possible violence happening towards me. And I want to say once again, I love my life. I love my work. I am not suicidal. If anything happens to me, I want you to look at Brian Stack, New Jersey Attorney General Matt Platkin, and New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy, as well as Justin Mercado, and retired Lieutenant of Union City Police Department Sergio de Rojas, and Josian Diaz, to name a few. God bless you all. Stay tuned for much, much more.